We're here on the grid for round 11 of the 2023 ABB FIA Formula E World Championship. A good qualifying from Mitch today. P3, we made a massive step since yesterday, found a much better setup, and Mitch really adapted his driving style to this circuit with the new Gen 3 car. Sam, back in P14, he can do a lot from there. He gained 7 places yesterday, so we're looking forward to a repeat of that race performance. And with Mitch in P3, our goal is to try and be in a position to fight for the podium.
Lights out, Formula E is on the way once again. From that lineup, I don't think that Sam Bird has been able to get going, has he?
No, he's in the pit lane, and I don't think he will be starting this race.
As you can see, that's Jake Dennis down to second, and that means Mitch Evans in front.
So Evans defending the line there.
Mitch Evans going into attack mode. That drops him back down to third place. The energy running out, but the laps are running out as well. Third place goes to Mitch Evans, fourth to Fenestraz.
Beautiful.
Nice pace at the end. Super quick.
I'm feeling good after yesterday. Look, a podium, if I knew that yesterday, I would have 100% taken it. Just a bit of a mystery with the with the pace and efficiency in the race. I was feeling good, but then once Max and Jake put the foot down, I just couldn't keep with them, and I was a bit of a roadblock, but managed to hang on to a well-earned podium. And yeah, we needed these points after yesterday.
Jakarta Prix, let's begin the celebration!
So here we are at the end of round 11 in Jakarta. After a difficult day yesterday, we lacked a bit of pace. The team worked really, really hard to find that bit of performance we were looking for. And Mitch did a fantastic job in qualifying to finish P3. And having held the lead at times during the race, he was in that lead battle all the way through. But he soaked up a huge amount of pressure. And to finish third today is like a victory considering where we've come from in terms of the pace. And we've evolved the car and the performance over the weekend. Huge job by the team and a fantastic race performance from Mitch. So another podium, really important points. Really proud to lead you on the podium. Great job, team.